To fix the error code H04 on a Bosch dishwasher, it's essential to understand what this code means. The error code H04 is not a listed error code, but it typically indicates that two buttons were mistakenly held down while turning on the dishwasher. This error is usually caused by simultaneously pressing down two buttons on the dishwasher. To resolve the issue, start by restarting the dishwasher. Cut the power supply by unplugging it from the socket or circuit breaker. Wait a few minutes, and then turn the power back on. Switch on the dishwasher and observe if the error still appears. If the error persists, it may be necessary to replace the control board. In this case, note down the dishwasher model number and contact the manufacturer's customer care for assistance. They will connect you with a professional who can advise on the best course of action to resolve the issue.